Weifang Chengfeiyue Hydraulic Machinery Company Limited, established in 2013. We focuses on the production and development of hydraulic system. We mainly produce the hydraulic valve, tipping valve, directional control valve, limit valve, pneumatic control valve, high-pressure gear pump, piston pump, and a complete set of hydraulic system. Company is located in Caterpillar Industrial Park, Qingzhou City, Shandong Province. Our products have been matched with many domestic OEMs, and many engineering vehicles in China are directly used our products from the factory. Now, we has advanced, excellent, imported horizontal processing center and vertical processing center. Also advanced cathodic, electrophoretic coating production line and other precision manufacturing equipment have been introduced. Because of that, our tipping valves have excellent corrosion resistance, acid resistance, and adhesion. We have cylindricity tester, hardness tester, thread tester, simulation vehicle hydraulic system test bench, and other advanced laboratory inspection equipment. We have a professional team for production, processing, assembly, quality inspection, and testing. Our company management team, research and development team, and production team. Our team has rich experience in the development and manufacturing of complete hydraulic systems and strict quality management system, IATF 16949 International Quality Management System Certification. Our enterprise spirit is work earnestly and be honest. Take science and technology as the guide, take innovation as the soul, seek development by quality, and try our best to build famous brands in the world.